Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme on Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet allows you to customize its experience by switching between the different themes. This helps reduce the eye strain and makes the interface more comfortable, and you can easily switch between the light mode and the dark mode inside the setting. First, what you can do is you need to launch your Sparrow Wallet on your Windows or the PC. Go to the search on the bottom here and type down Sparrow Wallet. Make sure the app is fully open. You do not need to unlock a specific wallet to change the theme. So at the very top of the window over here we can find this view. Under this view we can find this theme icon here. Go to this theme here. This opens to the preferences for the light mode or the dark mode here. You can select the light mode or the dark mode as a preference. Sometimes the system defaults depend on the version. As I'm going to tap on this dark mode here, and it will automatically changes to the dark mode. And your Sparrow Wallet theme is now changed. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.